Yeah, I got nothing but time, so let me speak what's on my mind. Yeah, the struggle might be real, but I'ma get it for me and mine. That's all the time I'm on this paper chase. I bless my food and then say grace. I destroy the competition, eat the beat up and forget the taste. I load up, never fold up. You think you tough but never showed up. Play a hold up, this is sold up. You'll get rolled up like a cold cut. I'm back, bitch, I'm here with a vengeance. New mixtape and here's the entrance. I'm on the road, perfect attendance. Me against you, there's no resemblance. Better back up, don't act up. Niggas like you can get smacked up. I'm stacked up, that's racked up. And for them jack boys, I'm strapped up. This 4-5 will go live. A bunch of hollow tips that you can't deny. That's no lie, I can't be no bitch nigga like you, I'd rather die. That's true story, life full of glory. I'm in the booth and I do my thing. Red black Mustang, the top goes down when I speed through the lane. I'm too fly, man, I'm about my money, that will never change. I can't be fake, I don't think that's strange. You can't hold my talent even with no change. You wanna test his hands to get in my range. I'm here trying to make it, can't stop my grind. Stop my grind. In my zone, you can't block my shine. I'ma get it on my own, you can't take mine. You can't take mine. I'm here trying to make it, can't stop my grind. Stop my grind. In my zone, you can't block my shine. I'ma get it on my own, you can't take mine. You can't take mine.
I'm on my grind, don't waste my time. If you ain't about the money, don't hit my line. I shine, I grind, I work real hard. Everything I do, I gotta do it for your boy. If you don't know me, don't say my name. If it don't earn change, then it don't pertain. Major league players better learn the name. We run that game, you stay in your lane. Don't cross that line, you pay that toll. The boy got struggles, what fuel my soul. I reach that goal. You should know that boy so cold like Eskimo. My flow so throwed, I got that glow. I run that show and count that dough. Waiting for the blow like Snotty nose. Everybody hate, but that's how it goes. I play my role, don't never hate. My grind so strong, won't never fade. I'm on my time, ain't never late. My grind, my time, I dedicate. Just waiting on the day I catch a break. I ain't never fake, I make mistakes hard in despair. Soul is ripped beyond repair. I'm on my toes, P's and Q's. Dot my I's and cross my T's. If that don't work, new strategy. You mad at me cause I earned mine. I paid my dues and took my time. That boy Rondo all on his grind. Going hard, not in his prime, but to the top he steady climb.
I'm here trying to make it, can't stop my grind. Stop my grind. In my zone, you can't block my shine. I'ma get it on my own, you can't take mine. You can't take mine. I'm here trying to make it, can't stop my grind. Stop my grind. In my zone, you can't block my shine. I'ma get it on my own, you can't take mine. You can't take mine. I'm also gone, leave me alone. War in Texas, I have the throne. Get out my phone, you will get shown the reason why they can't make no clone. I'm too damn real, got too much skill. Name a song that you don't feel. I just can't yield, I've just revealed I can't be killed in this battlefield. Apocalypse, no stopping this. Jump off a cliff and cease to exist. I must insist that I'm the realest rapper in this building, bitch. You can't stop, but you can't tame. I'm just too deep into this game. I've just became a legend. If you didn't know, AJ's the name.